Crypto, crypto, wake up, crypto. Does the candle go below the seas? Do you get down on your knees? Do your own private keys? Wait a minute, what's private keys? Every time the price goes down, I'm on my knees. I don't really know, but I'm begging, please. Tell me more info. Crypto, better best believe. We got bad people like Bankman-Fried. And if you're trading Bitcoin overseas, you don't have the private keys, you're on your knees. Staring out the window, smoking all this Indo. Please, if you don't mind, give me all your info. If crypto's like sex, I'm an info.
Give me all your info, this is the signal. If you say no, I'm jumping out this window. I ran out of endo. And if you didn't know, I need the crypto. It's sex is like an info. That's why they say crypto. Please don't flip though. FTX, free to take X amount. That's what I'm about. So when you see a bank account, don't shout. You know what the crypto's about. Get your private keys, or you know you'll be on your knees.
Crypto, wake up, crypto. Does the candle go below the seas? Do you get
Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I had a message for you this morning. Do you own your private keys? Would you rather be down begging on your knees? That's kind of the signal, kind of the saying, pretty much what I was getting at. And thank you so much, Blake, this morning. Recent activity, we have Blake every month donating as we continue to go on with this crypto channel. If you want to be part of the Wolves, you hit the like and subscribe every day, talking about going on this long, crazy ride we have. Crypto is no joke, ladies and gentlemen. If you do not have a nano ledger, that would be something I recommend. You don't have to have this particular one. You don't have to even have a nano. You can get the Arculus. You can get all the different kinds they have. These are the ones that I recommend. I'm a big fan of what I want for Christmas. Well, that may be something I want to do. Not a lot of us have any money left. Our crypto is gone. Our money's gone. It's pretty tough. So we have to get a hot wallet such as the Trust Wallet. You need to own your private keys. That was part of this song. It was a wake-up call. I needed some type of wake-up song. Get everybody awake. Wake up, right? I hope you're feeling good. Wall Street Pete's in the house, bringing some positivity if we can. I believe we're getting closer to the bottom. I know it's tough to believe what is the actual bottom. Nobody knows the actual bottom. But we do have speculations, and we do have some technical analysis through the history to help us out and get along the support, resistance lines, and things of that nature that we need to follow along with the volume, right? Volume currently going up. We're getting closer to the 900 billion. We're up and up. Continuing to go. Do we get to the 18.3 as I was suggesting? Had to break above the 17,000 Bitcoin price to consider this jump really serious. And as we predicted here, we would get some trouble. So that's why it's here. But the main resistance we're looking for at the end of the day, as this is a daily candle, each day represents on the candle each day here. We're looking for the 18.3 to break, or perhaps get this dead cat bounce somewhere along the way. So it could be the 17.3 that we get it. 17,000, come down and in, and we'll see what happens. But MetaMask, Trust Wallet, some of the things you might want to start paying attention where you might want to put some of your crypto. So one of the things I pay attention to, and then sure enough, news this morning, 44 minutes ago, Russia's largest lender in moving into DeFi, the Web3, by integrating its blockchain platform with the Ethereum blockchain, MetaMask, having some dip this morning, buying. It sounds crazy, I know. But if you remember 2017, check out the charts. It shows the history. I know you may not have been here, but you have to see the charts to believe it for yourself. It's pretty tough. Traders have lost billions of dollars that they stored on the platform, which served as a marketplace for crypto enthusiasts to buy and sell tokens. Billions of dollars are gone. Companies with ties to FTX have also found themselves on a shaky financing footing. It's a big deal, ladies and gentlemen. There's not much you could do here, but pay attention and learn from the mistakes that many people have made. Pay attention to the video of Sam Bankman-Fried. Look at this guy. He's shaking. He can't stop shaking, right? This is New York Times yesterday, having a conversation, and his lawyer, of course, what did his lawyer say? Sam Bankman-Fried's lawyer says his advised him to not speak at all. And of course, he's going to melt him, break him down, and butcher him to death. I wish we could talk about the video. We could talk about it. I mean, I wish we could show the video of what he actually says.
From the Bahamas,
And everything's Bahamas. This is where he lives. But he has to say he blames it on someone else. It's always somebody else, right? Why can't we just say, hey, I fucked up? But Wall Street, Pete Signo and Crypto, looking at this currently right now, we're getting some resistance along with Dogecoin. As you can see, there's definitely resistance here on the trading view, hitting that golden pocket at the 11.2 exactly. And I say exactly because that's what I said here. Check it out, Dogecoin. Next major resistance, and this is why I say it, major, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get this and then looking to be able to dollar cost average out. I'm thinking the 12.6 is safe, but right now, currently we're getting the down spell. As you can see that tweet right there, not tweet, as you can see right there, as I'm saying, we're trading 10.5 cents at the time. So Dogecoin trading 10.5 cents, peaked out all the way up to about the 11.114. See it right there? Right to the number. So that's what I expected. Now we'll get another bounce coming back up on the next day, which will be tomorrow. So tomorrow, the 3rd, or the 2nd, ladies and gentlemen, probably the 2nd or the 3rd, Dogecoin will probably start jumping back up. So don't be too upset. That's Friday. And then what happens, all the people get paid on Friday will probably dump into this thing. So Dogecoin looking to hit resistance. Probably the next level is 12.3 if we can surpass it. If not, we're going to get a nice bounce here. And we're going to keep trading in this range. But I expect more of the range here to be trading. We'll see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see where we go. Gary, good morning to you. I was just coming with a quick 10-minute video update here. For most people, I had a weird, obnoxious song. Most people might have liked. Most people may have thought of it obnoxious. Other people may have liked it. If you want to watch it, check us out. We're on Instagram. You can listen to the whole song. I thought it was pretty creative because it's the truth. Don't end up on your knees begging, pleading for, I made a big mistake, right? And Binance, it'll be one of the assets I currently dollar cost averaging in. I think I just had that question this morning. What asset would you start buying that you feel comfortable in? Well, B&B, bed and breakfast, I would definitely take the Binance. There's no reason why you're not investing in this asset, the exchange. It has everything up, saying and so, as none of this is financial advice. XRP constantly getting the bullish momentum to 48 cents. You'll probably test back to there, 43 as well as first. Hitting resistance. As I see, Polygon Matic is jumping up nicely, up 10%. Did not know. So this is why I like to go over this in the morning. Check it out and see what is happening. Litecoin, another one I do believe in. So people are talking, what asset would I like to buy? We could do that real quick before we head out of here. Couple tokens that Wall Street Pete is comfortable investing in during this springtime kind of crypto atmosphere, right? Before we get into the summer, it actually probably 2023 of the summer, and the second quarter, third quarter, I believe we'll start seeing crypto to flip in a more positive, there'll be $1 at the front of here for Matic. There'll be perhaps 50 cents fighting 70 cents along here on the ADA. Dogecoin will be fighting back into the 17 cents. Things like that I expect to be happening next year or 2023 during the second quarter or the third quarter. Shiba Inu perhaps will erase a zero, right? We'll add a couple number digits up there. Bed and breakfast, I would expect perhaps coming into the big full-blown thing here. We're going to see that add another digit. It'll be a 4-digit asset. I do believe strongly near the end of 2023, BNB will be heading in towards that direction. So don't know what XRP will be doing by then because of this Ripple BS SEC crap going on. Polkadot, big believer, will be above, fighting $9 easily there. That'd be a nice 2x. Litecoin will be about $1.43. I love you. I just remember Litecoin likes to trade around there, and then ultimately with Dash, be trading about $2.50 on the next move. Chainlink. Chainlink's an asset I do believe in, along with Avalanche and Uniswap. So we do have a few out here that are looking pretty nice. Ethereum Classic, we know the run that went on. You could believe in that. Also, obviously, we know we love Ethereum. Cosmos here, $10.26. Seems to be a pretty strong price right now. I kind of like that price. Chainlink is up 12% in the last 7 days. And then Monero, very private, pretty good. I actually like their goals and what they plan on doing with that project. Stella, a little below where it should be, just like the rest of the crypto market. But just getting into the top 50 here and going over a bunch. I do like Algorand if you're interested. I mean, there's a few of them here that we can talk about. I feel like I'm talking about 20 of them, but that's about what we're doing. There is how many in the space? Let's talk about how many crypto assets are created. 21,900. We're almost at 22,000 cryptos. That's about 20,000 useless ones. So let's be real with that. Ethereum Classic is being delisted on Coinbase. It's pretty good to know. I didn't know that. They can only hold so many of these, as I was just saying, on the platform. So please, if you have your keys on Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, any of these places, you may want to get them off the exchange, as you could be hurting yourself. You're not hurting anybody else but yourself. If you have millions of dollars, what the hell are you doing? As I wanted to show, that was in the article, it said that these people had their money on the exchange. That was the key word, on the exchange. What is wrong with you? Get your money off the exchange as quickly as you can. Cardano, best you believe. I love Cardano. And Polygon Matic, I would say that's one of my top 2 favorites. 9 and 10, it just happens to be the 9 and 10. But I do believe in those 2 assets very, very much. If I had to pick just one, I would say Cardano's my favorite. I know you're not fishing for my wallet. It doesn't matter. I have so many different authenticators, factors, all this crap that you're not going to be able to get in. But pay attention to the top 50. As I said, we made it all the way to about the top 35. Then I would go with a couple more. Internet ICP was trading $58. I was loving it. I was loving it. I was selling it, buying it, selling it. It was a crazy scheme I felt like I had going on. It was called scalping. So pretty much what I was doing, we have Chili's that usually makes a nice big run when it's ready to go, down 9-10%, looking pretty strong. I like that in the last 7 days. What else do we have here in the top 50 before we go? We do have Sandbox. That is a big surprise, ladies and gentlemen. I did not expect Sandbox to come this far down, about 58 cents right now. I expected Sandbox to have a stronghold of $1, somewhere where Polygon Matic is heading to. So you do have the Trust Wallet token. So hey, looking pretty good there. I do like that. I just told you to not invest, but put your private keys in there. And breaking out of the top 50, we have Decentraland Mana. So another one that I would take outside of the 50 for sure would be there. None of this is financial advice. It's a gentleman twice as nice. Please be careful in the comment section. We have so many scammers. I've gotten rid of most of them. That's probably why the channel is stagnant with subscribers. Instead of people like Carl the Moon, who just have a Facebook and just say, hey, I think that, honestly, this is my personal conspiracy, and you know I have a bunch of them.
Regulation.
But let's be real, there's people who are getting hurt like this. Distribute of 100 Ethereum to the first 35 people who send this, and 1 ETH, 30 ETH will get back 3 times to what they sent. In the amount, they send their address here on the bottom, and then they say they'll stop and pull this down when it's successful and met. Please don't be a failure. Please don't be one of those people who send their ETH. I checked the profile. It has 0 followers. I hit the post of the actual post of the moon, and it was 1 million, whatever the hell he has, followers, right? So that's how you know. You check the icon, you see it's a copycat, has 0 followers, it must not be him. Well, he could have created another account, right? Had no followers. He wants no ties to it. And now his Ethereum wallet just magically gets Ethereum once in a while because he's a bad trader or whatever it may be. And he just gets more money from people over this bullshit, and they can't track who it is. So I hate to tell you, if you're a YouTuber and you don't eliminate a lot of the messes that people fall into, like I do, I think you're a fraud, just like FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. So that's my personal opinion. That's just how I feel, obviously. Have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete Sickno and crypto. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please be careful, like I said, in the comment section. Be careful with who you talk to. Don't click on links. And make sure you get your private keys. Until the next video, my friends, please hit the like and subscribe. We're trying to kill the algorithm. The algorithm is killing us. Take care.